Do you like your shirt?
Yeah, it's so big.
I know. You love your shirt on your birthday? Are you excited to try it on?
Yes, I am excited to try it on.
Hello everyone, welcome to another craft time with Sarah G. So today we're gonna make a customized birthday shirt for my little girl Samantha. Well, she loves pirates and loves Minnie Mouse. So this gives me the idea to have this design, a combination of Minnie Mouse and pirates. So I bought this design from Etsy. It's very cheap if you can check on there. So what I'm gonna do is cut this design using the Silhouette Cameo 3. But here's the tricky part though, we are using the HTV or heat transfer vinyl material. So we need to use different settings to cut because we are using the scissor and the HTV glitter. So these materials uses
So
different
as
force
what
to
we
cut.
plan, we're gonna make like
So I will use the
this
scissor
Mickey
for the
Mouse
letters
and put
and the
some
pirate ship
glitters on the
design, while
bow
the
and
glitter will
some part of
be
the Minnie
the Minnie
Mouse
Mouse silhouette design.
face.
So
So
we're gonna
this
try
is what it looks
to
like. So
change
we're
the
gonna
settings twice
do it
to cut
again
this. So
and
let's
again.
start
So I'm gonna
cutting.
put this material in our machine. So here it is, guys. Okay. It's just so hard to make. So we're gonna make sure it's aligned, like the blue here. It's aligned. This blue. See that? That blue thing. I don't know if you can see that. Then we're gonna click load. Okay. And from here, we're gonna click send. So we're gonna send this as is, and let's just wait. So it's done, guys. So we just wait for this to stop, and we need to unload. Yeah. So you can see. I don't know if you can see the cut. Yeah, that's the cut. But you can't hardly see it on the glitter. But that's it. So we already centered the design on the shirt, and then so we just adjust the iron to cotton, and then we need to put this one. So we just cover this one here and then start ironing. This is what we call the Teflon sheet. So let's hope for the best. Okay, so we're gonna start. Push it down. Okay, let's see. So I'm adding the glitter now, the Minnie Mouse glitter. So this is the last one.
All the way to the end.
So this is what it looks like. Do you like your shirt?
Yeah, it's so big.
I know. You love your shirt on your birthday? Are you excited to try it on?
Yes, I am excited to try it on.
You love it? It's Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, I did love my shirt. You made it for me at birthday.
You like it?
Yeah, I did like it.
Mm-hmm. Is Minnie your favorite?
Yeah, Minnie is my favorite.
Is Pirate your favorite?
Yeah.
So it's Pirate Minnie.
Mom, I can't wait to see. Mommy.
What?
Mommy, can you show me the last number?
What number?
1.
Okay.
Mommy, there's one day left.
1 day left until it's your birthday. How old are you?
Big!
Big? How old are you?
Big! 4!
4?
Yes!
Are you turning 4?
Yeah, I am turning 4.
4! A big 4!